We're trying to time a song just right for the sun to go down. And I was never a Boy Scout, so
24 minutes.
We got more than 4 minutes?
24.
24.
That's what they said. We didn't.
I don't know, guys.
It's in that Boy Scout said back there.
Eagle Scout.
I go with 4 minutes.
You want to get it?
Yeah, he's been drinking all day.
This song, we have a little USB drive for sale now. It was sad. We brought a few CDs, but we kind of like shook our head when we put them in the bag. Times they are changing. But on the USB drive, there's one song that we've never released before that's done, and it's this next song. And it doesn't sound quite like what we're about to do, but it really is a fun song that we've been playing in the band for a long time, and we're happy to get it out there. So if you want an exclusive, and you need some other place to store your data,
We do.
come on by. Ready? I'm ready. Here goes nothing. You wouldn't say I was flashy, you wouldn't say I was rich, you wouldn't leave here right now with me instead of that fool who came with. You wouldn't start dancing with a complete stranger, you wouldn't happen to have the time. Never mind, we can talk about that later. 'Cause tonight, 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 I'm not worried about the price. I feel that I look nice. Tonight, 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 I am coming to fight for who's wrong, who's right. I'm just trying to keep things light. Tonight, 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 tonight. I wouldn't call it unnatural, I wouldn't call it polite. You couldn't show me one thing, it's alright or alright. I didn't come here to worry, I didn't come here to care. But the look in your eyes is the look in mine.